wasn't for that one letter A in there, it would just be Madagascar. And if you added one more letter and put a T in there, you'd have Madagascar. It's an island, meaning it is an IS land, which of course means inside the sea. That's what the IS stands for. King Julian. What kind of food do you think they got in Madagascar? Look at all that dirt. Free shout out to construction workers. Well, you can really taste the fish sauce in these ketchup rings. If there was a worldwide apocalypse and you found out that Madagascar was the only safe place to be, do you think you could get there? I wonder why they didn't call it Madagascar. Or if it was in England, it would have been Petrol Buggy. Madagascar also sounds like somebody who was put on the spot to come up with a fake name in a dangerous situation. Madagascar was invented. We're gonna go set course for Madagascar. Let's do it. We're going to set course for Madagascar. Chopper. Now, if you were to do an impression of Frank Caliendo, how would that go? I haven't got the Madagascar power.
Oh, we're headed over to Madagascar tonight. That's right. We're gonna have us a fine meal over there on the island. Let's go over there.
How you guys take the bus on? Doesn't matter how you get there. If they built a bridge from here to Madagascar, straight shot across the ocean, or how long would it take to drive there? Would we run out of gas? Yes.